After you've done your main idea sentences, the final part of this project will be to create your own memes. So I'm going to show you how to use a few different programs and publish your memes to your grade level wall. So I'm starting in tantitech.com. Again, I'm in tantitech.com, and I'm going to click on the icon that has the teacher avatar on it. Select your appropriate grade level icon, but for the purposes of this video, I'm going to go to 3rd, but you'll go to whichever grade you're in. Alright, you'll notice that right after the Digital Citizenship icon, there's an icon that has a Keep Calm meme on it. That's the icon, that's the site that we'll be using to create the memes. And on this site, if I want to check it out, it tells me definition of what a meme is, because a meme is not just a picture or an image, it's also other things. So I can go keep scrolling and see a little bit more, but here towards the top are the icons for the apps that I'll be using to create my memes for this project. I'm going to go through a few, and then some you'll have to explore on your own. The first I'm going to show you is this Keep Calm one. I click it. And this page, you'll notice that there are some text boxes towards the left. This is where I can type my message. I can change the word in each box or add more words as I like. I can change the size of the text to either small or large by just clicking on the box. At the top, I can change the icon that goes at the top of my image, of my meme I'll be creating today. I can also change the image of the background by clicking right here where they have the flag. I can select a background. Change the color of my text if I think I need to pop out more, or I can change the background into a solid color. I can also change the font that I'm using, and once I've got it the way that I want it to be, I can click on my meme and drag it. But wait, I need to create or set up the wall where it's going to be published. So let me go back to my grade level website, and every grade level website has an icon with a bird and the grade that you're in. That's where you go click on to publish. So let me click on it. Here is the Padlet wall where I'll be publishing my meme that I just created. So I go back to where the site where I created the meme. I click on it, and I can drag it, and I'm going to drag it up to the tab that says 3rd grade. Here the Padlet wall will load, and I'm still holding onto my meme that I clicked on, and I'm going to drag it down lower, and then once the Padlet wall starts to change color, I'm going to drop it there, and the Padlet wall will begin to load it. Here I'll click on the meme, or I'll hover over the meme and click on the pencil so that I can write my name and a sentence about what my meme is about. Let me click right underneath. My meme is about, and here is my first meme. Now let's look at a different app. And we gotta go to the creating a meme icon, which is right here on the Keep Calm. Next, we'll look at the second icon and see how to create our avatar. Alright, here we'll type our text. What did we learn about digital citizenship? here we'll type who said it, which will be us, of course. So I'm going to place my name and then just press go. Oops, I misspelled did. And let's press go. Once it's loaded, we'll see that it'll start putting our text over a different background. Up here, there's different backgrounds for us to select from. You can navigate and scroll through them until you find the one you like. Once you have the one you like, you just click and drag your image, same way as before, to the 3rd grade tab, where we have the 3rd grade wall to publish. But again, you'll go to whichever grade you're in. Here, hover over the wall and notice that it changes color and drop it. It'll start getting loaded. I'll click on the pencil so that I can put my name. And then the line beneath where it says write something, I'll click and write a sentence about what my meme is about. And click anywhere, and I am done. The last app we'll look at in this video is Sketchpad.io. Codes cover you can explore on your own. This folder at the end has blank memes that you can download and then insert text using Google Slides. Now, I've reviewed how to use Google Slides in other videos, so I'm not going to do it in this one, but I will go over how to use Sketchpad.io. So let me click on this icon. Once I get here, I'll get started with a new page, a new paper. Now, if it's already been used, I can go to the plus sign over on the left side towards the bottom and select a new project or a blank project. So here I can start by adding text, so I can click on the T, then click anywhere on my document, and I can start typing something. So, and again, I'm going to type something based on what I learned about digital citizenship from watching the videos from my main idea sentences, which I've already done and published on my appropriate grade level wall. Now I can make the text larger simply by dragging the boxes around. You can also make it smaller by doing the opposite. And then I can just move it around by clicking the arrow up here in the tools, and that'll let me select what I want and move it around. Next, I can change my background perhaps. And the background is done using the fill tool, which is this bucket over here. I click it, and then I can select fill to select how do I want it to be done. Do I want a gradient using a linear gradient or radial gradient? Do I want a pattern or a color for my background? Let's select the color. And then we click on the background and it gets filled with that color or pattern depending on what you select. Now I'm going to add an image. I can draw an image using the pen right here, the feather. If I click on it and then click on the triangle, I can pick other types of tools to draw with. Or I can go to this little emoji and select Clipart by clicking right here on this carrot next to the cow and look for something, maybe a computer. And once I find one I like, I can just click on it, and again I can enlarge it by moving the arrows around and placing where I want to. You can see that lines come out to tell me if I'm centered or not. Once I have it the way that I want to, in order to share it, I'll have to go to this disk right here that says exports, and I'm going to click on it. It's the third icon from the top to underneath the new icon, so I click it, and then I'm going to click on save. Now I can save it in multiple manners, or I can share it. I'm just going to say save JPEG. And if I'm using Chrome, it's going to get saved down here to the bottom. So now I'm going to open the tab that's third grade, because that's the one I'm using for this video, but you should be going to your appropriate grade level. I'm going to click, and without letting go, I have to hold it when I click, drag it up, and you'll notice that the padded wall changes color immediately. Drop it there, and then it'll start being loaded. I can see that in the right bottom corner. I can go back, hover over it, click on the pencil, write my name, and underneath click and write a sentence. My meme is about describing the purpose or meaning of my meme. Click anywhere so that it stays, and there I'm done. So I hope this video has shown you how to create and publish several different kinds of memes.